Welcome to How2Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing how to change your engine and cab air filter on a Dodge Ram Cummins. The air filter is located on the left-hand side of the engine. There are three 8mm bolts to remove. You can use a socket or a flat blade screwdriver to remove the bolts. Lift up the housing from the left side and pull out. There are tabs on the right side that hold the housing in. Remove the old engine air filter. Vacuum out the bottom of the air filter housing. I'm using a Dox diesel air filter. Install the new air filter into the housing. Make sure it's sealed all the way around and it's tight. And then we're going to line up these tabs back into the housing. We're going to push on the right side first, and then push down on the left side. Make sure not to over-tighten the three bolts because it can break the plastic housing. To replace the cab air filter, we're going to lower down the glove box. Remove the retractable cord. Push down on it and it'll pop out of place. We're going to squeeze in the right and the left side of the glove box so the stoppers can clear the housing. Push them both in and the glove box will pop out. The cab air filter location is located on the top upper right side of the glove box. There are two tabs to push in on the left and right side to remove the filter cover. Pull out the old cab air filter. It is really important to replace this filter because this filters the air that you breathe in the cab. Notice how dirty this one is. Once again, I'm using a Dox cabin air filter. These are directional, so you want the airflow to point down. Slide in the new filter, and then snap on the filter cover. To reinstall the glove box, line up these tabs with these holes. Pull down on the retractable cord. And then you're going to push the tabs in on both sides to lock into place. And then attach the cord to the glove box. Make sure everything works correctly. And with that, thank you for watching How2Mechanics, and we'll see you guys next time.